मैं पहली आई थी 5 साल पहले. Manforce came to me and they said, we'd like you to be a part of this brand. And मेरे लिए बहुत आसान था क्योंकि I believe in safe sex. I believe in not getting diseases or not having unwanted pregnancies. So वो मेरे belief system में है. So promoting a brand that promotes such things is a good thing, I think. So that's why I first said yes. And over the last 5 साल के बाद हम calendar launch कर रहे. हमारी अच्छी दोस्ती भी हुई सबके साथ, Manforce and Mankind and Rajesh sir and Narendra ji. You guys are the best. Kyunki they've placed me in this platform and placed me here, so I'm very thankful for that.
Okay, normally condoms से relation 2-3 चीज़ों का बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो safe sex के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं, population के बारे में लोग बात करते हैं. तो what do you think, तुम्हारे हिसाब से safe sex condoms से क्या relation in your mind?
Safe sex or condoms, they actually should just be married. It's something that goes hand in hand, especially for हमारे younger generation जो है, शायद उसको इतना teaching नहीं मिलता है या school से या दोस्त से, कोई उसको बताता नहीं क्या होता है अगर आप safe sex नहीं करते हो. And because of that, we see unwanted pregnancies or we see parents unhappy क्योंकि उसके decisions जो थे अच्छे नहीं थे. So they weren't about, it's not about not wanting a child, it's about having a child at the right moment in time. So that's what I think about condoms.
Okay, calendar shoot किया है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत, अभी हम लोगों ने सबने देखा पूरा calendar. तो how was the experience? कैसा रहा?
ये experience बहुत अच्छा था. I've never shot a bikini or bathing suit calendar, so ये मेरे लिए भी first time है. And I have the best story क्योंकि हम पूरा शूट प्लान आउट किया था. इतने अच्छे स्विम सूट्स एंड बिकिनीज लोकेशंस, हम थाईलैंड में शूट किया था और फर्स्ट डे इतना अच्छा शूट हुआ. इतने अच्छे लोकेशंस, इतने अच्छा हेयर मेकअप, ये सब पूरे टाइनी डिटेल्स हमने ध्यान दिया था. एंड सेकंड डे दबू सर आए और बहुत स्ट्रेस लग रहे थे. एंड हमने देखा, मैंने उसको पूछा कि क्या हुआ. आई थिंक 1 घंटे के बाद उसने बोला कि मेरा फाइल जो था वो करप्ट हो गया और हमने कल जो शूट किया वो गया हमारे पास नहीं है. So I started thinking what should we do or how should we handle this situation, and मैंने दबा को बताया था कि listen, once you have the shot we move forward. We have 12 different months to shoot today. We have to do it in one day क्योंकि सिर्फ 2 दिन का शूट था. And we did it. We shot 12 looks in 1 full day. और 1 महीने के बाद that file was recovered. So Manforce I think has a lifetime of photos to choose from. So it was a very nice shoot, and I got to know Double very well and his wife. And we had a wonderful time in Thailand. I love it there.
सभी एक तरफ आपके परफ्यूम एंड डीओ भी है, दूसरी तरफ कैलेंडर एंड प्रोडक्ट आते हैं. आने वाली फिल्मों के बारे में अगर आप जिक्र करें कि कौन-कौन सी फिल्में लाइनअप हैं इन अपकमिंग डेज.
Sure, actually मैं एक नया मूवी शुरू कर रही हूँ. वो अगस्त में है. उसका नाम है तेरा इंतज़ाम, and it's with Arbaz Khan. Just went blank for a second. And मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I have a kitty full of movies, and for that I'm very very thankful. क्योंकि अगर मैं साल में जितना काम कर रही हूँ, and I can continue that work, it would be amazing. So I'm very happy with that.
लोग तेरा इंतजार रहेगा उससे जब फिल्म आएगी. Next.
You're the first popular actress to perhaps endorse a condom brand openly. What is your take on other Indian actors? Are they really shy when it comes to endorsing a condom brand?
I think it comes down to everybody's comfort levels, and it comes down to what their own personal goals are. For me, when Manforce came to me, Mankind and Parjar with this idea, it made sense to me, and it made sense to me at that moment, and it has for the last 5 years. Like I mentioned before, it's all about being safe.
Yeah, my question is to you is that we all know that India is suffering from a population explosion problem. I want to ask you that how condoms are important to develop our country.
I don't think India का कोई problem है. It's one of the largest emerging countries in the entire world, and it's one place where I do believe dreams at this very moment. अगर आपका कुछ passion है, आपको कुछ life में करना है, आप इंडिया में कर सकते हो, and you can be successful. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory how condoms can help anybody's life.
Okay,
Sunny over
my,
here. Sunny over here.
Still in India it is like that, like even buying a condom is still like, you know, it's a very kind of secretive thing, like, you know, when you go to a chemist or wherever you buy it, like, you know, so do you feel like, and what kind of awareness is there for this particular thing?
We are promoting
People
this
feel
thing.
shy to buy condoms.
Why? क्यों ऐसा? जबकि आप तो प्रमोट करती हैं और हिंदुस्तान और सारी दुनिया प्रमोट करती है कॉन्डम को.
Actually, अमेरिका में ऐसा भी होता है. It's not just India. I think when it comes to having intimate moments with somebody else, वो private moment होता है. So अगर वो एक black थाली में condoms चाहिए, then ठीक है, it's fine. मेरा सिर्फ ये है that they should buy the protection. जैसे भी buy करते हो, जैसे भी आप खरीदते हो, then that's up to you. If it's a private thing for you, great. If it's not and you're willing, you don't mind who's standing right next to you, or कोई आपको ऐसा देख रहा है कि oh wow you're buying a condom. It's your choice, but I think the key element here is that people need to buy them. You know, whether they put it in a black bag or not, that's, you know, their own personal preference.
How hard are you working on it? Because you're...
मैं बहुत कोशिश करती हूँ. अभी मेरा हर रोज ऐसे हिंदी प्रैक्टिस हो रही है, so I'm trying. So अगर आप लोग मेरे साथ हिंदी बोलते हैं, then मैं आपके साथ भी हिंदी बोलूँगी.
And just now, even you know that sex education is quite compulsory. At what age do you understand the meaning of sex?
Well, in the school that I was attending, we learned about this in high school, which was grade 8 to grade 12. It started in 8th, 9th grade. So it was mandatory in school that we learn about certain things and the effect of what will happen if you have unprotected sex, or if you have an unwanted pregnancy, or what can happen if you do have unprotected sex. So that was the base of our learning.
सनी, इस
Sunny, one
बार
question
आपने
for-
ईद भी सेलिब्रेट की थी, तो वो कैसा था, जरा उसके बारे में बताएं.
मेरा first Eid था, and it was very nice. It was with this young gentleman right back there in the blue shirt,
Oh.
Yusuf. हम अच्छे दोस्त थे, and he invited our whole team to his home, and हम बैठ के खाना खाया और बहुत मज़ा भी किया.